Hey guys, Gabby here, Miss Ravex. I just finished up a Halloween theme shoot here at Ravex, as you can see. So I just wanted to hop on and say thank you guys so much. Last month I hit 10,000 followers on Instagram. So to thank you guys for that, I appreciate all of you. I decided I wanted to give away my dirt bike. It's a KX85 two-stroke. Sent it into Ravex a few weeks back and they tuned it up real nice. So one lucky winner is going to get this dirt bike. Don't forget to follow me, Ravex, and also subscribe to Ravex's new YouTube channel, Ravex TV.